Have you ever accidentally deleted an important text message on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to recover those deleted messages quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Messages app. Launch the Messages app on your iPhone. Step 2. Access recently deleted messages. Tap the Edit button in the upper left corner to display the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Show Recently Deleted from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Find Deleted Messages. Browse the list of recently deleted messages. Locate the specific message you want to recover. Step 5. Recover Messages. Select Deleted Messages. Tap Recover or Recover All, if you want to recover multiple messages. Step 6. Done. Tap Done in the upper right corner to return to your main message screen. Once you have completed the steps, you will be able to review the exact messages you deleted. I think it will be useful to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next technology tips videos on this channel. Please like and subscribe to help us have more motivation to produce the next good and interesting videos.